Hello friends, so welcome to all of you again on a Refer Me Group channel. Most of the time I got this question from a software testing professional that they are confused, they have a confusion that what is their career if they are not having any interest in automation, or they do not like to do automation, or they sometimes they scare to or learn Java or any of the language. They don't feel comfortable. Then what to do? So software testing professionals are confused, or sometimes they are not sure what to do. And why this comes majorly for a software testing professional, because development people are those who are having a knowledge in development, and software testing people who have done or started their career as a manual tester, then after 2 or 3 years of experience, they find it difficult for themselves that what to do. I mean, because in manual testing they don't find any option, and so many people are there who teach them. I should use the word teach them, because they tell them that they teach them, you why don't you go in a manual testing to automation testing, it is easy to learn. But they started something but they don't feel comfortable, right? And what happens that they are started searching so many websites, consulting with their friends. They go with a lot of training institution, online websites are there, right? But confusion is again there. Why? Because with some pressure you start learning the automation, but then after a week, after 10 days, after 15 days, you don't feel comfortable, and then the result is you do not find yourself that what to do next. So what is the challenge here? What do you think? What is the challenge? Then what happens that you consult with any of your friends, your friend teaches, your friend tells, oh, you go in these things, you learn these things. I mean, people started expecting like how the market is going without any having a good knowledge, but they just started guessing or putting their assumptions, right? You talk to your friends, some expertise also there, they have gained their expertise, but you are not sure that how you will get your expertise there, right? And you become confused again. Then what to do after your manual testing if you are not finding the solution? So here the challenge is, do you think what is missing here? Why something is not happening with you, right? Why you are ready to work hard but you are not getting what you are expecting? Why it is happening that you want to earn a good package, but what is missing here? You want to earn a good money, or you want to go in a good company, then what is missing here? You are ready to do hard work, you are ready to learn the things, but then what is missing here? Only the automation is a career, right? So learning automation become a challenge. If yes, then does it mean that I don't have any career? No, absolutely not. Who says that if you are not an automation expert, then there is nothing for you in your career? Believe me, I have taken more than 1,000+ interviews, and even still now, maximum 20 to 25% professionals I have found very good in manual testing as well. People believe that manual testing is the easy thing, but actually it is not. People send their resume without doing any certification. So certification is very important. Again, I'm not saying that certification helps you to get a job, but it gives you gives you an edge in your resume, gives you edge in your career, and make you different from other people, right? That is why any software testing certification or certifications are important. Now, since we were talking about that, why automation is challenge, and if automation is a challenge for you, then do you think that your career is going to finish? No, absolutely not, right? If you are thinking like that, then please do not consider that. No, I will say a big no. There is a career apart from that, right? So say yes that there is a career, right? So now from onwards, you start saying, yes, there is a career, and this video is going to help you a lot about those professions which are very important, or which you can make your career if you are not expert in automation or you do not want to go in automation. So what are those careers? Before that, jumping on those topic, I will request you, please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video to those of your friends who are sticking with the same concept that they are finding it difficult to make their career apart from automation, right? So say first thing, say big no, right? Like people are saying there is nothing left if you are a manual tester at experience of 6 or 7 years. Say no, no, I have a career. What are those careers? Let's talk about. First thing you should understand, a software testing professional, right, is having a multiple skills. A software testing professional in comparison to other people who are into IT. Like the person is having a technical skill, analytical skill, passion, verbal and written communication, attitude, and productivity. So they are known as a software testing professionals. Now, because of these skills, because of these qualities which is displaying on the screen, you can make your career in other domain, in other technical skills as well, in other technical field as well. What are those fields? Let's talk about. So here, if I go on the next thing, a simple presentation or simple thing is that there are two types of skill. One is a hard skill, another one is your soft skill. So a QA professional or software testing professional, if having a hard skill, like want to go in any of the language, so person can go into test automation, security, performance, usability. So specialized people are there, or person want to move as a developer. So some people I have seen that they have done automation, they have learned and they move themselves after 2 or 3 years after getting expertise into a Java or any programming language, they move themselves as a developer. If you find that language is a challenge for you, right, if you find no interest in learning the language, then there is another skill which is a soft skill. You can go as a manager, you can go as a business analyst. What other things are there? Let's talk about. You can be a scrum master, you can be an agile coach, you can go into a cloud which is your AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud is there. There is a Alibaba also. You can be a business analyst, you can be a domain expert, you can be a subject matter expertise, you can go into a data science also, right? Now on this slide I have put some colors here. Why? Because there is a bright future even if you do not want to opt automation. Apart from that, if you want to make your career, then you can go into a DevOps, a very hot nowadays in the market. You can go into artificial intelligence, you can go into a robotics process automation, very easy to learn, no language knowledge is required, everything is there. And nowadays I have seen software testing professionals are moving to RPA, which is very easy to opt for, right? So again, coming back, if you find yourself that you do not have any knowledge into automation, or you do not want to make your career into automation, there are a lot of things which you can shape your career, which you can move on, and believe me, the world is waiting for you. These technology or these career which I have talked about, they have a bright future and very good demand in the market. So let's join your hand, decide your career, where you want to move, and fill colors in your career. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful time, enjoy with your family. So friends, here we have discussed software testing career without automation. Believe me, I am having close to 17 years of experience, and I have started my career as a software testing professional. And later on, I mean, I was not very comfortable to learn automation, right? Because the language and other things. Then I moved myself as a business analyst, and then as a scrum master, and presently as an agile coach. I like this profession. I love this profession because I love to meet with the people, learn from those things. So if you have such kind of energy, if you believe, if you have such kind of a attitude, believe me, you have a very bright future. Even if you do not know automation, you can go, like we have discussed before, you can go as a business analyst, can go as a scrum master, can go as a DevOps engineer, can go as a artificial intelligence, can go as a data science. In Refer Me Group, we have done a lot of trainings for a business analyst professional as well, where we have taught people even from the non-IT background have changed their career as a business analyst. In Refer Me Group, we have done training for a Scrum Master. A lot of people from software testing background, they come and they'll do the certification, learn the Scrum Master, and they make their career as a Scrum Master. So if you are believing that you can get a good package only if you have an automation expert, or you are automation expert, please don't believe like that. You have a very bright future. You have a very good packages in other domain as well. So again, I am thanking to you that you have watched this video. Please subscribe it. Please like the video and share with your friends who are struggling their career, because they again believe that without automation there is nothing in software testing. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.